We are pleased to show you the 2023 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.